Everyone, this is Meeral Vijay Pense, and let's see what the second week of November 2020, that is from the 8th to the 14th of November 2020, has in store for the sun sign Capricorn. For Capricorns, the second week of November is going to be a week that advises you to be a little bit restrained when it comes to your communication. For no reasons, apparently, you might just get upset, you might just get a little bit rude, you might get a little bit sarcastic, and you might actually consciously unconsciously land up hurting someone. So be very, very mindful of your communication, especially in the second week of November. Moving on to the workspace, you will actually surprise yourself by deciding to quit from your current job or your profession because you're not happy with the quality of work that is happening. The job satisfaction will be very, very low, and you have been actually contemplating about your job for quite some time, and it will not come as a surprise if in a sudden fit of feeling very, very deeply unsatisfied with your job, you might actually simply quit your job. So before taking such kind of a decision, the cards advise you not to make a decision in haste, in a mood of emotional disturbance, rather than think about it and then take the decision. Also, if in case you go ahead, if you decide to go ahead and quit your job, see to it that you do it to the maximum of politeness as possible, because this week is going to literally have you snapping at people, and which is not going to leave a lot of things in good taste. So if in case you've already decided or made up your mind to quit your job, at least see to it that you do it in a good taste. Coming down to finances, the cards advise you to be very careful about the past receipts of certain payments that you thought or you think that you have made, but they actually may be pending. Well, what will happen is during the second week of November, suddenly you will realize that there are certain payments or receipts or bills that you thought that you have paid, and they just come in front of you as to be paid, and that basically disturbs your financial balances. So, and this could be a little bit overwhelming for you financially. So see to it that you are on top of your financial statements. You have all the statements absolutely filed and absolutely under your vigilance, to see to it that none of a receipt or a particular bill is missing or to be paid, and then later causes some kind of a disturbance in your life financially. Moving on to the department of relationships, there is, for the second week of November, you are actually going to be in an urge to get into kind of a bitter argument with your partner. The cards actually ask you to please refrain from doing so. You may have an absolute valid point, and you might actually feel that your partner is unnecessarily arguing with you. You might feel your family members are not making sense, and yet the cards advise you to step out of the situation, think reasonably, rather not talk and discuss about the situation and postpone the discussion of the situation to the next week. But do not get involved into an argument or a fight and make things a bit worse. The cards actually ask you to step out of the fight zone and just stay neutral. Coming to the area of health, you might face a little bit of digestion issues this month. So be very careful of what you eat. See to it that you don't eat very heavy or oily or spicy kind of a food, because eventually they will land up upsetting your stomach. Also, the cards ask you to drink a lot of water whenever you feel thirsty. This week, you might not realize, but your water intake might just go a little bit less. So see to it that your food is light and the water intake is very regular. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a happy week ahead.